Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how you can edit your property details in booking.com. So first thing that you should do here is you have to log into your booking.com extranet account and then go to the group homepage. That's right. And then you just have to select the property that you want to edit the details. Okay, so for example, this one, so simply tap on the continue registration or edit option. Okay, and then after that, right here, we are going to start, or it will take you to the very first step here on your property details. Of course, we are going to start with the basic information. So here, just type out the property name. So if you would like to change the property name, then you just have to type it out right here, and then just type, then you just have to tap on continue. And then here, if you would like to change the um, property address, then you just have to tap it right here, your new property address, and then tap on continue. So say for example, you are done with your basic information and then you would like to proceed to the rest of the details. Then you just have to tap on here, the option that you can see at the top. Okay, and then after that, add here the additional details and the other details that you want to customize for your property. And then once you're done, of course, you have to proceed to the legal information. Okay, so let me just leave this section. Then after that, you just have to verify to comply with various legal and regulatory requirements. They need to collect and verify some info about you and your property. And then after that, your property here on booking.com will be visible. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.